Hello everyone, welcome back to your most valuable and trusted tech video channel.
Today, we are going to show you a rapid way to create light effect in Photoshop. This light effect will be helpful to highlight something in your image. First, open Photoshop and the image file or a PSD you need to add a light effect to. I need light coming to the center of the image from the top here. For that, what I'm going to do is create a new layer. Make sure that you create the new layer on top of other layers this way. To create a new layer, click on the last layer and click this new layer icon or simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus N keyboard shortcut. Now I rename the layer to light. Now the blending mode of the layer light should be switched to an overlay like this. Then select the rectangle marquee tool like this or simply press the shortcut key Ctrl plus N. Now drag and draw the light area you need to have in your file. Now press the T key and again press the X key on the keyboard. Make sure that white color is selected for the foreground and black is chosen for background color. Now click gradient tool and pan this drop down to select the first gradient option, white to start and black to end. Now double click on the particular selected gradient and follow these steps with me. Then press OK to the specific parameters to the gradient tool. Now drag the gradient tool from top to bottom holding the shift key. Press the Ctrl plus T keyboard shortcut to get the free transform option. Holding the Ctrl plus Alt plus shift key and drag the bottom right anchor pointer to the right side like this to create the desired light angle. Now the light is done. See how easy this quick tip is to create a light effect in Photoshop? If you are new to our channel and this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more simple and quick tech tips like this in your notification. Keep in touch with us. Have a great day. Goodbye.